All right, students, so here's how you can put a book on hold using Destiny. So once you've opened Destiny Discover and you have signed in, as you can see my name up in the corner, so I know I'm signed in, you can come down and pick any book that is available, and you're going to be looking for a hard copy book. So one clue is going to be these little green in buttons or in boxes that are on top of the books. That means that it's a physical copy and it's here in the library. So let's say I want a copy of Let Me Hear a Rhyme. I'm going to go ahead and click for more information on the book. And then on the right here, you can see that I have the option to put the book on hold. So I'm going to click hold. And when you see this, there's going to be a message that pops up on the bottom. It's going to tell you that the book is available. I'm going to unhold it. Let's say you change your mind and you decide you don't want the book. You can come back and click unhold, and you'll see a message that your hold has been removed. Let me do that one more time. Let's click hold. If you look at the very bottom, you see Let Me Hear a Rhyme is now available. Let's say I don't want it. I can unhold it, and now that hold is canceled. What happens when you place a hold is that shows up on my computer and Mrs. Denny's computer, and we're able to go pull that book and have it on the side for you so you can just come by and check it out. So be sure to use the catalog to kind of see what we have before you come down. Thank you so much.